Introducing the Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini DashCam from Aliexpress, a compact yet powerful solution for ultimate road safety. Equipped with a Sony IMX678 sensor and PlatePix HDR technology, this dashcam captures stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring crystal-clear details like license plates and road signs. With a wide 158-degree lens, you get comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Experience superior night vision with STARVIS 2 technology and an f1.86 glass lens, reducing motion blur and enhancing clarity even in low-light conditions. Perfect for family cars, new drivers, and rideshare professionals. The Vantrue E1 Pro supports up to 1 TB of storage with a Class 10 memory card, allowing extended recording sessions without worry. Stay connected with 5G Wi-Fi and intuitive voice control for hands-free operation. Built-in GPS tracks your speed, route, and location, while the 24/7 buffered parking mode records events before and after motion detection for complete security. Additional features include loop recording, a durable supercapacitor for extreme temperatures, and easy installation with a magnetic adhesive mount. Upgrade your driving experience with the Vantrue E1 Pro dashcam from Aliexpress. Compact, powerful, and packed with advanced technology, it is the perfect choice for safety and peace of mind on every journey. Order now and enjoy next-level protection.